Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 network cable unplugged error. First method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Select QoS Packard Scheduler, click Configure, click Yes. Click Advanced tab, select Speed and Duplex, change to 100 Mbps half duplex. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, IP space, reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.